Do you know the difference between Egusi and Wrewre? If yes, there is still more to know or to learn, and if no, I'll show you right now. So kindly watch the video and know the difference. Hello brothers, sisters, here are Kodo. So in today's video, I'll be showing the difference between Egusi and Wrewre seeds because most people get confused with these two. So Egusi or agusi, which is melon seed, and Wrewre, which is melon seed, are both from the melon family. The difference between these two are the sizes and the color. So in Ghana, we use the melon seed, which is Wrewre, to prepare soup, and the Egusi to prepare stew. I know most of the West African countries also have melon seeds or Egusi to prepare stew, but I don't know if they also have Wrewre, which is the melon seed, to prepare one of the delicious food they have over there. But then I'm yet to find out. So these melon seeds provide several health benefits. They are rich in magnesium, iron and zinc. Additionally, they contain vitamin E and B complex vitamin that can help strengthen hair and promote health growth. Melon seeds are also a good source of protein and essential fatty acid. They boost the immune system, they regulate blood pressure, they help the kidney, they lower cancer, they support heart health, and a whole lot. So it's really good for you to start eating Wrewre or Egusi. So Egusi or the melon seed looks bigger and whiter, whilst the Wrewre or the melon seeds are smaller in size and look yellowish as well. Follow the page for more information, and also don't forget to share for others to know and learn. Alright, for Shizzle Manezo, I'm out. This is Wrewre. Yeah, Wrewre. So is it the size is small, and this one is Akatua. So that's the difference. This is bigger and this is small.
The mess rules. Some this is Kakoma Madofo and I'm a Bushman for our Ghana. May the tap sing.
This is Egusi tap and the best so far.
I don't see some yes, and this coffee na a tap.
Tap send will be out around the up now.
And the reason I changed over to then.
If you're here, you don't have the app on your phone, I encourage you to download it right now. It's very secured. TapTap is very secured.
What I like about TapTap is that transfer is immediate. Right? You get to resolve secured everywhere. I've never had any issue.
Tap send and no one abotre for you na ya tap send papa no